but with about 16 knots boost.
You're probably gonna make it on
Some ages, I would imagine.
Baby seat.
Baby seat.
Still looks pretty awesome.
Yeah, that's super clean, dude.
I do like this over like the black one, just because like if I had like a black wrap roof or anything,
Yeah.
like it would go with it. But since it's like all white, just trying to keep that thing going.
Dude, you got it like freaking perfect in there.
That was a pain in the ass, man. I was using the squeegee, and
Yeah.
it was thin enough just like to squeeze it right into the.
It was thin enough? Nice.
Yeah. So what I did was I got my hair dryer, right? Put it
Yeah.
in heat, blew the heat in there, and now just kind of just go along with it.
Oh, sick.
Some of it's still kind of lifting because this material it's a little thinner.
Oh,
So
okay.
some of it didn't stick in too well.
Yeah.
But it did good. I feel like I got it center enough.
Nice, dude. No, it looks freaking sick. Honestly, like, I don't know, it looks kind of cool. Slightly off-white, though.
Yeah, but it stands out a little more, I think.
I think that's why. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, I can totally see where you're coming from, though. I think.
Oh, it's hung.
Oh, shit. That's the yellow one from Monty that's
Yeah.
fast as fuck.
That's hung right there. Master Tech at VW.
Really?
Yeah. It's very faint, but it's rubbing right up in this fender right here.
Do you need to roll it?
I might just need, not to pull them out, because I think it's fine.
But just to, like, that little lip that's
yeah,
in there?
there's that little lip. It's kind of like that. I think if I get that flat, it might be a lot better.
I have a roller that I got from somebody because it was missing, like, the main bolt to adjust the arm.
Yeah.
Or the main nut. And so he was like, if you can find a nut, you can have it. I was like, sure. So I took it. I'll go to Home Depot and see if I can find it. Cause so we'll do a little tiny roll on it. Just get it flipped up.
It's a nice stinger.
Yeah, it is.
Turns up there. I work in San Diego in the winter, so I'm a snowboard instructor up there. So like, I'm always on that road before anyone's here. So like, my commute to work is just fucking 65, 70.
I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my lips. Bring me back Don't dig deep like you would have a clue. All I see is how I was a fool to save my heart. Skip beats, thinking about you. Whoa.
Well, we hit downtown and got very lost. The entire group got split up. So, looks like we're looking for a new place to just all meet. So, I'm gonna Google that. Never mind, we decided to just meet where we already were. Which is honestly a pretty good idea. Just took up the entire street. What's going on, brother?
How you doing?
How you doing, man? All right, rolling out to a new spot. Zach over here is gonna lead. We're gonna go find a nice little lit spot. We're gonna take some more pics.
I could say that you didn't need what you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even want wasn't that